Worried about your data when selling or recycling your consumer cellular phone? Whether it's an iPhone or Android, securely wiping your device is essential. We'll cover the crucial steps to protect your personal information and prevent unauthorized access in a clear, easy to follow way. In 2025, both iOS and Android use strong AES 256 encryption by default. For iPhones, go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset Phone. Erase all content and settings. Android users can find the option at Settings, System, Reset Options, Erase all data, Factory Reset. Remember to back up important data before proceeding, and always remove your SIM card. A factory reset alone isn't enough. While it deletes file pointers, data can still be recovered. A secure wipe overwrites the data, making it irrecoverable. Enable two-factor authentication and biometrics before starting for added security. For remote wiping, use Find My iPhone or Find My Device if your phone is lost or stolen. Remove any SD cards. For maximum security, consider third-party tools, but be aware they might void your warranty. In summary, prioritize secure methods to safeguard your privacy.